resolution si Senator Amy. Gusto niyang investigahan po ng Senate yung allegations ng 18 allegedly Marine soldiers.
Well, we'll wait for the reading of the resolution, and let's find out kung saan committee i-refer.
Pero sir, nung narinig niyo yun, ano yung nakita niyo?
Yeah, I read the affidavit.
Opo.
Ako kasi pag mayroong information in my previous life, this is how I treat any information that comes to my attention. First, yung ano ba yung credibility ng source? And second, ano yung reliability ng information itself? Dalawa yun eh. Kasi kung polluted yung source, it follows. Ito yung sinusunod natin na meron tayong A1, A2, B1, B2, di ba? Yung rating, yung classification ng intelligence information.
Yes, sir.
So, may mga portions doon na pwede na sabihing credible, pero may mga questionable. Number one, sinabi nila 805 billion yung napunta, yung pinamahagi o napunta kay Congressman Saldico. Well, from 2023 to 2025, ang total amount ng flood control projects, 1.13 trillion. So kung ang napunta kay Congressman Saldico allegedly 805, that's at least 70% of the total appropriations for the same period sa flood control projects. So purgos na yung nandun. Saan manggagaling yung napunta kay Bernardo? Saan ang napunta kay Alcantara?
So,
Parang sobra computation. That's my first observation. Second, as we speak, sumulat na ako sa Philippine Navy, Philippine Army to conduct record check and background investigation on the 18 Marine Philippine Navy and Army personnel. Ang initial information, hindi, wala pa, sumulat ako. At saka sa LTO, no? May initial information from the Philippine Navy na yung iba dishonorably discharged. A number of them were never members of the Philippine Navy. So doon pa lang, makukwestiyon natin yung credibility ng source. If true, kasi media lang ito. That's why I'm formalizing it by way of an official letter to the Armed Forces of the Philippines, attention to Philippine Navy and Philippine Army.
Tama po bang paharapin sila dito, sir, sa isang inquiry?
Well, after all the verification, evaluation, then probably, yes. And ito pa isang observation, the timing, parang nakatiming to, bakit yung ICC ngayon na nakapokus? Ang pinoproject doon is napaka-corrupt ng ICC, di ba? Dahil nilagyan ng $2 million allegedly through former Senator Trillanes. Another one, timing nila, bispiras noong Trillion March, yung 40th anniversary ng EDSA. Another observation, parang kung gano'n ang mga pinagbibigyan, parang kulang yung listahan.
Timing is suspect.
So, yeah, kasi timing ng ICC confirmation of charges. Ang timing din, yung ngayon, February 25, yung EDSA, 40th anniversary ng EDSA. So ano yung, sa akin kung ako yung mukhang merong political color, not just political color, mukhang merong destabilization na aspect.
So process destabilization, paano makaka-destabilize?
Yung timing, kasi EDSA ngayon bakit kahapon lumabas?
So parang manggugulo, sir? Yun yung...
Well, kayo, I leave it to your own imagination, but that's my own opinion, rightly or wrongly.
But you think it's enough to destabilize, sir?
I don't know. Kasi hindi ko alam. Kasi wala namang nangyayaring destabilization ngayon, di ba? Wala. It seems na wala namang, hindi naman na-destabilize
So gustong sirain yung credibility ng ICC?
Kasi bispiras ngayon, kahapon, bispiras ng EDSA, 40th EDSA 1, yung people power. Bakit tinaming kahapon yung... At saka bakit sila sa Club Pilipino? Symbolic. Kasi yan din ang pinanggalingan nung EDSA 1 natin di ba?
So kung ganun, sir, na timing is suspect?
Hindi. Ang sinasabi ko, we will evaluate yung dalawang sinasabi ko, the source of the information, which in this case are the 18 Marine personnel. The second is the reliability or credibility of the information itself, meaning yung contents ng affidavit. which I have already told you, meron na ako nakita dalawang agad na dapat i-explain. 805 billion, that's at least, I think, 71% of the entire appropriations during the same period.
Making it feasible
20
or impossible, sir?
Medyo mathematically impossible kasi meron pang nakuha si na Bernardo, meron pang nakuha si na Alcantara. Ano yung pinasugal ni na Alcantara? We're talking of the same period, ha? Yeah. Tapos ba't binigyan nila ng 5 large maleta si SP Soto? For what? Tanungin natin.
Sir, yung kay...
Ako, I'm just wondering, kasi mind-boggling yung when we speak of large maletas, ang sabi nila 50 million to 70 million. And we computed yung 805 billion. Alam nyo ba kung gaano karaming large maletas? Hawag na yung medium, saka yung paper bag at saka yung expandable envelope. Large maletas pa lang. Alam nyo kung gaano karami? At least 13,400 large maletas. My God.
So sir, gustong sirain?
No, tulad siya sabi ko, ini-evaluate ko yung information as well as the source of the information. As I have initially told you, pag may dumating sa akin information, in my previous life, sa law enforcement, sa intelligence, ang una ko agad iniisip, credible ba itong source? Pangalawa, credible ba itong information?
So right now, you're in the middle of studying it, sir.
Yeah, I'm evaluating.
Evaluating, yeah.
Kasi probably baka umabot sa Blue Ribbon Committee, di ba? So gusto ko rin meron ka idea. Bakit? Well, they presented their case at the Club Filipino instead of bringing it before the committee or the ombudsman or the DOJ. So, kayo mag-isip, anong motive?
For the Senate to have its own inquiry about it.
We need to evaluate first kung it merits, di ba, an investigation, an inquiry. Yun ang ano. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Hi, SB.
Ano na si SB?
SB. Short lang.
May maleta ka daw, sir.
May maleta ka, sir. May maleta ka, sir.
So yung
Wait
nasa...
na, sir. Saan po yung maleta, sir? Chinika niya pa si SB.
2023 to 2020.
Sa kuya.
Sorry
Papasok ka sa military.
Kung napunta lang sa article yung 70+%.
Hindi nila ba sila sa
Alam mo sa ano nangyari sa napunta kay Bernardo?
bababa kayo kay David sa natin.
Siya sabi ko, incredible yung isagutin mo muna 5 maleta.
Thank you, sir.
Hi, SB. SB.
Hindi, simple na. I will not dignify a tall story allegation. Ang nakakatawa ron, baka hanapin sa akin ng kasama ko yung 5 maleta.
Sir, yung kay Senator Bato na lang na...
Sir, may
We don't
resolution na...
dignify such things.
Sir, yung kay Sen Bato na lang, sir, na ethics
Ethics
Okay,
complaint.
Bato.
May ethics complaint po na Fidel versus Senator Bato. Dereliction of duty na raw yun nangyayari dahil hindi na siya pumapasok. You think it's about time for the ethics committee to really look into it, sir?
We'll have to look into it. Ako mismo, I will look at the complaint and I will talk to the chairman of ethics to discuss. Kasi alam ko, may mga nakapending pa rin doon eh. There are about 2 or 3. Perhaps the best answer would be perhaps it's the best time to call for the Committee on Ethics to conduct a hearing on all the complaints that are filed.
Ang prayer doon, SB, sana daw magkaroon ng malinaw na sanction kapag ganitong matagal na nag-absent. You think it's also about time to have a clear rule on it?
Meron ding sinuggest ang si Senator Lacson na pag-aralan namin na lagyan sa rules namin because wala eh. At the moment, silent ang Senate tungkol dyan eh. Senate rules.
So it's about
Silent
time?
dyan. We have a rule on the absence of committee work. Yung membership sa committee. A number of times na hindi ka umattend, pwede kang alisin sa committee. But that's as far as the membership of the committee is concerned. Pero pagdating sa
Madalas
general
pataas.
rules
Yeah.
ng Senate, walang ganun eh.
So dapat po ba magkaroon na, sir, ng clear na rule ang Senate about it?
That's what we have to discuss in the Committee on Ethics.
So in the absence,
So, a resolution,
Applicable pa sir yun? Pwede bang maging applicable agad? Kung ngayon pa lang gagawin?
yung rules,
Oo.
basta't in-approve ng Senate rules sa plenary, applicable at that very moment.
Di ba yung at the time ng act ng commission, like kami may pag-absent, walang existing rules, exempted dun si Senator Bato?
Sa kasalukuyan, for example, what? Kung ngayon,
Yes, sir.
wala existing rules.
So, hindi-
Can't do
Hindi,
anything.
so ngayon, sir, tuloy.
It's sagutin nung senador sa sarili niya at sa mga constituent niya.
Hindi, sir. Ibig ko sabihin, kahit i-change yung sir ngayon, hindi pa pwedeng invoke ni Senator Bato na at the time that I committed this violation.
Wala pa siya.
existing rules.
Siyempre.
Pero,
Siyempre,
sir,
ganun yun. Ibig ba sabihin nun, pagka meron ng rule na yun, papasok ka na.
Sir, ang pakiusap,
Diba? Yun ang tanong.
ang pakiusap po ng civil society group, isuspend yung sweldo ni Sen Batoy, isuspend yung operation nung opisina niya. Is that even possible, sir? Dahil hindi siya puwapasok.
Yung suspend ng operation ng opisina niya, medyo mabigat yun.
Bakit po?
Mabigat yun. Because unang maraming empleyado yun. Nagtatrabaho yung mga empleyado, nagsasubmit sila ng mga bills, nagsasubmit sila ng mga komentaryo nila at ng mga perspective nila about the bills that are being discussed. It could be coming from Senator Bato himself or the advisors or the legal people of Senator De La Rosa.
Yung
So
sweldo, sir.
mahirap yun. Mahirap yun. Yung sweldo na sarili niya, it was a suggestion that I made.
Huwag na muna siyang tumanggap.
To him, to relate to his daughter. So, pwede talaga yun. Kasi, alam niyo naman lahat, di ba? Ako hindi ko tinatanggap yung sweldo ko eh.
Pero so anong
Ang plano
naging
ko
tugon
hanggang
sa...
buong, hanggang 2031, hindi ko gagamitin yung sweldo ko. Di ba? Binibigay ko sa scholarships.
Pero sa ngayon, ano yung naging action dun sa suggestion nyo na wag na muna siyang tumanggap ng sweldo?
Wala pa eh.
So ibig sabihin tuloy pa rin yung sweldo po niya at
Hindi
yung
pa ako
operation.
sinasagot. Yes, oo.
Pero mas posibleng sanction yon na isuspend yung sweldo niya kaysa yung operation ng buong opisina niya, sir.
Mas posible yun. Mas madali yun na walang masyadong masasagasaan doon ng mga empleyado naman.
Kaya parang ano magiging trabaho nila, sir, kung wala naman silang principal? Diba?
Nagkakapag-participate kasi sila sa mga presentations ng mga resolutions, ng mga bills. Trabaho pa rin yun eh. Kaya maandar pa rin yung opisina eh.
Siguro yung kung kailan niyo po huling nakausap kahit sa text man lang si Senator.
Wala pa eh. Never eh. Before the break.
ng undas break,
Before
sir.
the break ng, yes, oo, ng September, October. September, before October. That was the last time. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you po. Thank
Gangster, you know, we do that better than anybody.
I bet you got it twisted, you don't know who to trust. So many player hating niggas trying to sound like us. Say they ready for the front, but I don't think they know it. Straight to the depths of hell is where them cowards going. Well, all you still down, nigga, holler when you see me. And let these devils be sorry for the day they finally free me. I got a caravan of niggas every time we ride. Hitting motherfuckers up when we pass by. Until I die, live the life of a boss player. 'Cause